Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn data handling basics in Google spreadsheet. So handling of data basics means like I am introducing here in this lecture taking a data like a copy and you don't want to stay the data back here, means cutting and paste where you require the data to use, there you want to paste it. So such a options of copy, cut and paste options we are going to showing now. So see, simply the employee ID, if you want to take a copy of this employee IDs for the reference of any somewhere else you want to use it. So select the data, which range of data you require to take a copy. So from B4 to I am highlighting the data till B10 and the cells are highlighted, means are selected. Now from here simply, very simply right click and take a copy. Control plus C to shortcut. Take a Control plus C to take a copy or Control C. When you click the Control C or click the button of from here, right click and copy, what happening here you may observe a dotted surrounded the highlighting of the text, which is a dotted borders are created, means your data is readily copied. The data is readily copied from this place, the selection of data range, and you want to take it to paste. To use this data, copied data, you want to take a paste somewhere else, maybe the same sheet or different sheet. So just I am trying to pasting here, yes here. So Control V or else right click, paste. Yes, its option is not showing. Shortcut is Control V. Simply or else Control V from your keyboard to by pressing, you see the data only. Beautiful. How beautiful it is. So data we have received from here to take a copy and paste here. And similarly, you don't want to stay the data here and you don't want to eliminate from here. Then what option you will see? Just see, remove the data, delete, select the data and delete it by pressing the delete, and take a copy, range, select the range of data, Control X. Control X is a shortcut for cut the data and place where you want Control V. So data is moved from source to this place. There is no more data here. So ensure that which option you want to take care. So either copy or cut and paste, anyhow it will be help you to make you to creating a new copy of data. So not only this column, even text, even dates or anything, how you want to ensure to make a copy and continue to proceed, how you want to take a data copy, cut and paste. These are the very basics, and also learn the keyboard shortcuts to make you master in less time. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.